G'day and welcome back to Down the Shed with Byron and the big fella. Now today we need to sort out this Hyundai Sonata. The other day you may have seen us drop this from a helicopter. And yeah, if you've missed that, I'll put the link up here for it and in the description. So we're doing this with the How Ridiculous boys. And we put their crash test dummy in there, which is called Ruth Lee? Yeah. Now he's stuck, so we need to get him out. How stuck is he? Well, he's well and truly stuck inside this car. Now, as it's come down, it rotated and flipped and then landed, and whatever it did, it ended up landing on its wheels, and this whole roof section has just collapsed straight down. So the poor bugger, there he is. Hey bud, you still all right? He's stuck. We've got the seat belt in there, which will be interesting to see if that's activated. My plan for today is we'll unbolt the door, get the grinder and a reciprocating saw, and we'll cut each section and we'll try and get that off, peel the roof back and see if we get the poor bugger out. Then we need to get some of our straps back. They're jammed in there and underneath. Then that way we can take it to the scrap yard and get rid of it. But let's have a bit of fun and chop up a car. Oh no, his arm.
What happened to his arm? Oh.
What's that? Yeah, his hand's stuck inside the steering wheel there. Sorry mate, we'll get you out in a second.
Cut the steering wheel?
Yeah, we might have to cut it, eh? Might be cutting his fingernails at the same time. Alright, we've got that off. Get his bolt out of the way. Yeah, so his legs are free-ish, are they? Oh, they're stuck up under the dash. One foot. You alright, mate? I'd be no good as one of those roadside assistance people, would I? Righto, let's we'll cut the steering wheel. There we go. We've got a sore elbow. Oh. Want to pull him out?
Yeah,
you can save the day. Right, big fella. Pull him out. Save Ruth Lee, not Bruce Lee. Don't scratch him anymore. Come on, Ruth. Come on, mate. You got him?
His legs are super heavy.
Oh, come on, throw him over your shoulder. Don't make him hit the ground. He's getting dizzy now. Get him out. Oh, you got him. Oh, drag him out the way. Put him in the, no, you got to put him in that recovery position. Make sure he's okay.
That's how it is.
Okay, that's good. Well done. Oh, have a look.
Oh, he's bleeding.
Imagine if you got caught up. Wow.
Yeah, well, I don't think you're falling 1,500 feet.
Yeah, you're not falling 1,500 feet, are you? Well, all right, well, that's Ruth Lee out. Let's get these slings out and then we'll take it down the scrapyard. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Oh no, Ruth Lee's bleeding gravel. Throw him on the quad bike. Let him go sit over there for a bit, eh? Oh, poor bugger. Yeah, I'll just sit him there, Go get him a cool drink. Oh, he's a bit tired. Stick his head up. Put his head back in. There you go, bud. Oh. Whew. You just sit back and relax for a bit, mate. There we go.
Yeah, mate. Have a bottle of water.
Keep pumping, brother. Keep pumping. What we'll do, I'll do this one first, and we'll try and pull those other ones out. Oh yeah, that one needs to go that way. This is stuck through the car. Righto, let's pull the strap through this side. You jack up that one. Okay, hold up there, mate. And what we'll do is we'll throw something under here to support it. We'll just rip that wheel off if we can. And then that way that should pull that out. That's jammed up right up in there, eh?
Yep.
Yeah, grab that that four-wheel drive tyre. Wherever we put it, where'd we put that? Over there in front of the patrol. Throw that. Yeah, that'll be right. Throw that under and then we'll pull that out. Alright, there we go. Get the strap out. That's done.
What about the purple one under?
Purple one. You know what? We might just sacrifice that one.
Yep.
Right, don't want to hurt myself. Oh, we might be able to get to it. Get that sorted. Well, mate, it's time to take it down the scrapyard.
Yep.
A massive shout out and thanks to the emergency services that you know, help get people out of cars. There's a fair bit that goes into it, isn't it? I just cut it with a reciprocating saw, but you wouldn't want to do that with someone in there, you know, like a car accident, etc. You want to be as careful as possible, especially if his hand's jammed in between the steering wheel. Also, like, yeah, the paramedics that have to come out to a scene like this, you guys are absolute legends, and the police, like everyone in that emergency services area, we'd like to give a massive dirty thumbs up to you. You guys are legends. And everyone out there, drive safe and don't drop your car from a helicopter. Righto, take it easy and we'll see you when we're looking at you.